Agemba, derived from the Japanese word Gemba, meaning the real thing, is a cloud-based software tool that can be used for anything from small, one-off projects lasting a few months to full or permanent implementations embracing entire organizations. The circle map. Agemba's logical starting point is the circle map, which depicts the organizational structure with its dependencies, delegations, and responsibilities. Each circle represents an organizational and operative unit with at least one self-organizing cross-functional team. It has a manifest detailing its mission and capabilities and is staffed according to the Agile principles defined in Scrum. Circles can, for instance, be dedicated to serve customers and suppliers. The dashboard. The first thing users see when they log into Agemba is the dashboard. It gives users a snapshot of everything that concerns them, but is also the gateway to a much more detailed information if they need it. Information such as the ongoing circle activities, recently created and edited items, and what each specific user has in front of them to do or read in the case of comments. It is customizable and more pages can be configured as needed. The roadmap. The roadmap is a vital part of high-level organizational planning. Plan projections, goals, due dates, and other time constraints can be communicated clearly across the entire organization or the stakeholders. This could, for example, be product feature ideas and when to release them, product improvement targets throughout the year, or even conferences and workshops. The story map. Once major goals have been established in the roadmap, or when user stories have been collected, their functional ordering can be done in the story map. Broad user stories are classified as epics, which can be broken down into a set of smaller ordered stories with increased level of detail for each level. A section of the story map has been designated for including reported and identified issues and also developing ideas. This hierarchical breakdown triggers geographical recognition and thereby gives a better overview. Time constraints, such as milestones, can be mapped alongside the hierarchy of stories. The outline. The outline serves the same purpose as the story map, only that stories are depicted as indented trees. It incorporates a timeline plotting releases and sprints with their planned stories. The product backlog. The product backlog is a place to prioritize, sort, and order stories, ideas, and issues in preparation for execution. Those determined to be of highest priority can then be added to a release, sprint, or Kanban lane for actual implementation via drag and drop. A tree list of epics with all the stories beneath, similar to that in the story map and outline, can be accessed via detailed planning for consideration while planning. The sprint backlog. Progress of work in sprints and Kanban lanes can be tracked from the sprint backlog. Stories, ideas, and issues appear in columns representing states such as to do, in progress, or done. Items are moved from one state to another either by drag and drop or through the context menu. The list view. The list view, as the name suggests, lists items which can be filtered and sorted using multiple criteria, showing designations such as item type, title, state, assignee, etc. Lists can be customized and stored for future use, while data in lists can be exported to Excel or PDF for external use. Delegation. Stories, ideas, and issues created in one circle can be assigned to persons or teams in another circle for execution through the process of delegation. Delegation is also possible for work that is strategically organized in Agemba while its execution needs to happen in Atlassian Jira. Comments and notifications. The comment function in the story card provides a convenient way for co-workers to discuss specific issues of mutual interest. Comments are flagged in the user's dashboard and also appear in the daily digest, which is emailed to each user every day to highlight their assignments. Comments can be directed towards specific users or teams and thereby creating a group dialogue including all those mentioned. Agemba is intuitive and easy to use, but every implementation is different, so Agile In-house provides a full range of services to help organizations get the most out of it. Services include system setup, user training and rollout support. Ongoing technical help and user support is also available once Agemba is up and running. Get in touch with us or visit our website agemba.com for more information. Thank you.